Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix Helldivers. Crashing at extraction and tab update will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of verify game files integrity. Content launch your game launcher Steam. Epic Game Store look at Helldivers. In your library, find the option to verify or check the integrity of game files. This process will scan your installed game files and automatically replace any corrupted or missing files that could be causing the crashing issue at extraction. Allow the process to complete fully before restarting the game and attempting an extraction again. This is often the simplest fix for crashing problems.
Step update. Graphics drivers. Content ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and/or Intel, and download the latest drivers specifically for your card model. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common cause of game crashes, particularly during demanding moments like extractions. After downloading and installing the new drivers, restart your computer completely before launching Helldivers to ensure the changes take effect properly.
Step to check system requirements and close unnecessary applications. Content confirm your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Helldivers. Running the game on hardware significantly below the minimum specifications will often lead to instability and crashes. Additionally, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs consuming significant RAM or GPU resources can interfere with the game's performance and cause it to crash, especially during resource-intensive events like extractions. Step to adjust in-game graphics settings. Content lower your in-game graphics settings. Reduce settings such as resolution, shadows, textures, anti-aliasing, and other graphical effects. High graphical settings can put a strain on your system, leading to crashes, especially during the demanding moments of an extraction. Experiment with lowering these settings incrementally to find a balance between visual quality and game stability.
Step 3. Install Helldivers with Content as a last resort completely. And install Helldivers from your computer, then reinstall the game from your game launcher. This will ensure that all game files are fresh and free of any corruption that may have accumulated over time. Before reinstalling, consider clearing your system's temporary files and cache, as well as running a disk cleanup to optimize your storage space and potentially improve performance.